Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your controller if it's not charging on your PlayStation 5. And this could be due to a simple setting. So just go to settings right here. Scroll on down to where it says system. Then go to power saving. Go to the right and go to where it says features available in rest mode. And it could be this setting right here. You might have this turned off. Or it could be set to like 3 hours or adaptive or something like that. But this might not charge your controller up all the way. So I usually just set mine to adaptive because that seems like it works the best. Turn this on to charge your controller during rest mode. DAP allows the duration of the power supply to adjust depending on how much battery your controller has left to charge. This saves more power than 3 hours or always. While supplying power, your PS5 will consume more than 2 watts of power in rest mode. So just turn it to adaptive and you should be good. Then connect your controller with a USB cable, and it should charge directly from your PlayStation when you have it in rest mode. So just going over to this option right here, go to enter rest mode, and you can charge your controller now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.